type of error recovery strategy is by means of error production. So, error production says that the language designer has given us a set of production rules that tells how the valid statements of the language can be designed, can be generated. Now, compiler designer can think about the possible errors that the user can do and accordingly add some few more productions into the system, which will be called error productions. So, if a particular going back to that example that we are taking of if then else statement, so it is so it was like this, the S producing if some condition, then statement, else statement. Now, this is a rule from the language, this is a production rule from the language. Now, compiler designer can interpret or can try guess that the type of error, type of mistakes that the user can do is forgetting this then. So, accordingly the compiler designer can add another rule to this language. So, if C S else S, then what will happen if a program has got a line where we have got this where the then part is missing, then what will happen is that this rule will not match, but this rule will match. But the compiler designer knows that this is a error production. So, it should not try to generate code based on this, but the parser, it will be able to proceed with this rule and it will not fall into an error condition. So, that is basically used in the error recovery of the parser. So, this is the error productions. So, we can augment the grammar with productions that generate the erroneous constructs. So, this is the other possibility. And also we can do some global correction. So, we can find out some minimal sequence of changes to obtain a globally least cost correction. So, the cost